Sa po naman mo dahil. For today's video dahil ako ang eldest picture na now. Ha? So, siya dan tuwan kanang video so iya harang i-prepare. Ang sarang i-prepare kangkong. Practice na siya pagka-shift eh. Basta
Shy.
no comment.
Di ba sa?
Ano iniyahang ingredients? Sa ingredients mo para kay na. Ha? You're using this one and this one.
Yeah. Yeah.
Sige na. Matuan na day.
Init pag oil.
Init pa kag oil. So, did you put flour?
No. Just cornstarch.
So she's using cornstarch
Because you don't
with
have flour.
egg.
Yeah.
She also put egg. The whole egg or just the egg yolk or the egg white?
2 whole eggs.
2 whole eggs.
Hindi ako luto.
With starch. Okay? Okay, go. Go.
Init ah. Ano ba ito? Oh no. Oh no. What happened? Ito na. Tikit na. Oh no.
Yeah, gumamit ang ano. Yeah.
Later na lang.
Later na. Food trip sa akong mga kids karon. Sige na, mas kaon lang po. I wanna try this. I wanna taste this kangkong chips. Recipe? Kangkong chips, okay. And I want to try this. I want this. It's crispy.
Crispy?
Yeah.
Oh really?
Yeah.
Really? Hindi, hindi natin.
Mm.